January 2018, number 1. 5½ divided by 3 2/3 plus 1 4/5. So this is just plain and simply using BODMAS. So you must do the division first and then take that answer and add it. So 5½ divided by 3 2/3 is 1½ and then you add that to 1 4/5 and that will give you 3 3/10. The exact value of 165 multiplied by 0.38 squared, we put that in the calculator and we'll get 23.826. Okay, so they want us to use our answer from A part 2, which was 23.826, and they want that to 2 decimal places, so we count 1, 2 and we round, so we get 23.83. They want it now to 3 significant figures, so we count 1, 2, 3, so we round here and that gives us 3 significant figures, so that will give us 23.8. And they want the nearest whole number, so this is where the decimal falls, so therefore the whole number would be 24. To calculate the simple interest earned, we take the amount that he received at the end and we minus it from the principal. So the principal would be 5,000. The amount would be 5,810, and the other information they've given us here is time, which is 3 years. So simple interest earned is equal to amount minus principal, so that gives us 5,810 minus 5,000, which gives us 810. Okay, so we recall that principal is 5,000. We got the simple interest to be equal to 810. We got time to be 3 years. And now they want us to get rate. So remember that rate is equal to simple interest multiplied by 100 over the remaining 2, which would be principal by time. So that would be 810 multiplied by 100 divided by 5,000 multiplied by 3. That is 81000 over 15,000, which gives us 5.4%. Okay, so for part 3, they want to know the time it would take for his investment to be doubled. So for it to be doubled, it means that the simple interest is now going to be equal to what he initially invested, which would be 5,000. So the principal is 5,000, and they want the simple interest to now be the whole investment to be doubled. So therefore, the simple interest would now be 5,000, and we're using the rate of interest that we worked out before, which was 5.4%. So time will be simple interest by 100 over the remaining 2, which is principal by rate. So that would give us 5,000 multiplied by 100 over 5,000 by 5.4, and that gives us 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 over 5,000 multiplied by 5.4, 27,000. So that gives us 18.5 years.